18 Cruise Hacks. Cruise lines wish you didn't know cruise vacations promise relaxation, fun, and adventure. Advertisements make it seem like you just step on board, let the sea breeze hit your face, and forget about real life. But here's the truth. Cruise lines are experts at separating you from your money. Everything is designed to encourage you to spend, from overpriced drinks to carefully curated shops, to special deals that aren't really deals at all. But that doesn't mean you have to play by their rules. If you know the tricks, you can outsmart the system. That's what this video is about. Today I'm going to tell you about 18 cruise hacks that will keep cruise lines secret instead of secret. These hacks will save you money, give you better service, and make your vacation go smoother than almost anyone else on board. Let's dive in. Number 1. Do not pay gratuities in advance. Unless you want to lose control, most cruise lines encourage you to pay gratuities before sailing. It sounds simple. One less thing to think about. But here's the catch. Once you've prepaid, your leverage is gone. Think of it like paying at a restaurant before you even look at the menu. If the service is not good, you don't have much to say. A smart way is to settle gratuities at the end of your cruise. That way, you can adjust based on the service you actually received. And if you really want to stand out as a passenger, tip your cabin steward $10 or $20 in cash on the first day. That small gesture makes a huge difference. Most operators will go the extra mile for you. Whether it's keeping your ice bucket full, making towel animals that wow your kids, or helping out with small requests you never thought of. Some travelers opt for a hybrid approach. Have automatic tips, so behind-the-scenes staff like the dishwasher and laundry staff still benefit, and bring in extra cash for the staff members who make the trip memorable. Either way, you stay in control. Number 2. The power strip trap. Almost every first-time cruiser complains here. Lack of outlets. Cabins often come with only 2, maybe 3 outlets total, along with phones, tablets, cameras, smartwatches, and maybe even a laptop. That's just not enough. Your first instinct might be to bring a power strip, but that's a big mistake. Surge protectors and extension cords are prohibited because they are fire hazards on ships. If security sees any in your bag, they will confiscate it. Safe and smart solution? Bring a USB charging hub. They are allowed, and you can charge multiple devices at once without taking up too much space. Pair it with a 100 watt-hour portable power bank, and you'll never run out of juice for your devices. This is especially useful on excursion days when you re-away from the plane for hours and can't plug in. Number 3. The drink package math doesn't add up. The all-you-can-drink package sounds like a dream. For $60 to $100 a day, you can drink as much as you want. But here's the truth. You'll need to drink 6 to 8 cocktails every single day just to break even. This means starting early, pacing yourself, and drinking steadily until bedtime. Most travelers don't actually drink that much, and if you skip even one day, the math falls apart. On top of that, these packages often don't cover specialty coffee, bottled water, or fresh juice, which means you'll still be spending extra. A better way is to pay per drink or buy small packages like soda or coffee deals. Another trick is to bring your own wine or champagne on board if your cruise line allows it. Most lines let you bring 1 or 2 bottles per cabin, and that alone can save you a small fortune. Unless you're a heavy drinker, the a la carte option almost always wins. Number 4. Interior cabin gambling. Inside cabins are the cheapest way to cruise, but they are also the most dangerous. Why? Because location matters. Many inside cabins are right next to noisy areas such as gyms, staff entrances, or nightclubs. If you're not careful, you'll spend your nights listening to thumping bass or early morning announcements instead of sleeping. The trick is to study the deck plans before you book. Look for interior cabins in quiet areas, preferably surrounded by cabins of other passengers. Better yet, look for odd rooms in corners. Sometimes, due to the way the ship is designed, these rooms are slightly larger, yet still cost the same as a standard inside cabin. It's like getting an upgrade for free. Number 5. The interior cabin light hack. One of the hardest parts about living in an indoor cabin is the complete lack of natural light. You wake up and don't know what time it is. Is it 6 a.m., noon, midnight? It can really mess with your body clock. Right here, leave your TV on the outside view channel overnight. Many ships broadcast live camera feeds from the deck. When you wake up in the middle of the night, just look at the screen. If it's still dark outside, go back to sleep. If the sun is rising, you know it's morning. Some people catch the sunset from bed like this. It's a simple trick that makes a windowless cabin feel a little less claustrophobic. Number 6. The The embarkation day buffet is a cheating mistake. When most passengers board, the first thing they do is head straight for the buffet. Bad idea on the first day, the buffet is pure chaos. It's too crowded, the food sits out too long, and it's almost impossible to find a seat. Instead, skip the buffet and head to the main dining room. On the day of travel, many lines quietly open it for lunch, but most passengers don't know it. You'll enjoy fresh food, table service, and a relaxed atmosphere while everyone else fights over the bread rolls. Starting your cruise this way feels like stepping into first class, even if you've booked an inside cabin. Number 7. Timing is everything at meal times. Eating at the wrong time can ruin your experience. Show up during peak hours and you'll encounter long lines, crowded tables, and food that's been sitting out way too late. Here's how to outsmart the crowd. For breakfast, the sweet spot is between 7 and 8 a.m. You'll find hot food and plenty of seating. For dinner, either arrive right when the doors open around 5:30 p.m. or wait until 8 p.m. This way, you avoid the busiest times. For the buffet, go about 30 minutes after opening. Only then does the freshest food come out, but the initial rush is already over. Want to know the real secret? See the staff. They know exactly when and where the best food appears, and they always eat at quiet times. Number 8. Free hidden food spots. Don't think that the buffet and dining room are your only options. Most cruise ships are full of hidden free dining spots. You just need to know where to look. Think pizza counters open until 2 a.m., hot dog stands by the pool, a pasta bar tucked away on the back deck. Some ships also offer free room service for basic items such as coffee, pastries, or fruit. One of the best hacks? Ask the staff where they get a quick bite. They will point you to hidden gems that most travelers never discover. Number 9. Cover your peephole. This surprises people, but it is important. Some cabin peepholes can be reversed, meaning someone could technically peek inside your cabin. It's rare, but why risk it? The solution is simple. Cover the peephole with a piece of tape, a sticky note, or buy an inexpensive sliding cover. For peace of mind, bring a small portable door lock. This won't prevent staff from entering if there's an emergency, but it does provide an extra layer of security while you sleep. Number 10. Quiet cabin formula. Noise travels like crazy on ships. If you want peace, avoid cabins below gyms, above nightclubs, or near elevators and service doors. These areas are noisy late at night and early in the morning. The best places are the midship cabins located between the two passenger decks. That way, you have passengers up and down instead of noisy places. It's the closest thing to guaranteed silence you'll find on a cruise ship. Number 11. Skip the photo trap. Ship photographers are everywhere. They'll catch you while you're riding, during dinner, at shows, even when you're walking on deck. Sure, the photos can be nice, but they usually cost $20 to $30. It adds up quickly. Instead, take your photos against the same background. Cruise ships are full of great photo spots, from grand staircases to ocean views. Ask another traveler to take your formal night shot. It will look just as good, and it's free. Number 12. Drink of the day is a ripoff. That colorful drink of the day may look tempting, but it's usually made with the cheapest alcohol and lots of sugar. It probably costs $1 or $2 to set up a cruise line, yet they'll charge you $9 or $10. Ordering a classic cocktail or chatting with the bartender is a better choice. Ask what's fresh or what they recommend. You'll often find a better drink for the same price. Number 13. Protect your luggage tags. Cruise lines give you paper baggage tags to attach before boarding. The problem is that those faulty tags often tear during handling of the goods. If your tag goes missing, your bag may be delayed or lost. Easy to fix. Buy reusable clear plastic sleeves for luggage tags. They cost only a few dollars online and will last for more than one cruise. At the very least, tape the paper tags securely and keep a card with your name and cabin number inside your suitcase as a backup. Number 14. Luggage tag phone hack. Here's a smart tip. Take a photo of your luggage tag and set it as your phone's lock screen. That way, if you misplace your phone on board, anyone looking for it can easily see your name and cabin number. Once your trip is over, simply change your lock screen back. It's simple, smart, and can save you a lot of stress. Number 15. Be the last person off the plane. When the cruise ends, everyone seems eager to get off first. The result? Crowds, long lines, and frustration. But unless you have an early flight, why rush? If you wait until the last call to get off, you'll stroll in peace. Your luggage will be waiting well, and there will be less stress on the staff. It's a much more relaxing way to end your trip. Number 16. Your cabin is not as private as you think. This do not disturb sign does not guarantee privacy. Staff members may still enter your room for safety checks or maintenance issues. Also, here's an important safety note. Do not leave both your balcony door and cabin door open at the same time. This makes the wind tunnel effect strong enough to close the door with alarming force. There are also stories of broken doors or injuries. Always keep a door closed. Number 17. Stick with a cruise line for rewards. It's tempting to bounce around and try different cruise lines, but consistency is key if you want the benefits. The more you travel along the same line, the faster you climb their loyalty ladder. Premium rewards such as discounts, free internet, cabin upgrades, and member-only perks. It doesn't matter whether you choose Carnival, Royal Caribbean, or another line. The important thing is to stick with it long enough to reap the benefits. Number 18. Yes, they are tracking you, but you can use it. Your cruise card or wristband isn't just for opening doors and buying drinks. It has RFID technology that logs your movements from the bars to the shops you browse. Cruise lines use this data for security, but also for marketing. Here's the twist. You can also use it. If you lose track of family members, check the ship's app. Many now let you see where they've been. If you see a charge you don't recognize, your activity log proves where you actually were. Big Brother is watching, but sometimes that works in your favor. And there you have it. 18 cruise hacks on cruise lines you'd never know. Use them and you'll save money, sleep better, and enjoy your trip far more than the average traveler. If you found this useful, then hit that like button and subscribe to Cruise Aura for more cruise secrets and travel tips. And let me know in the comments, which of these hacks are you most excited to try on your next cruise?